Hello dear students, welcome you all to this new English class. Today we will discuss about a new topic, that is adjective and types of adjectives. You know, in our previous classes we have already discussed nouns and different kinds of nouns, pronouns and different kinds of pronouns. Let's start the topic. The topic is adjective, and first of all we should know the definition of adjective. Words which give more information about nouns or pronouns, they are called adjectives. Actually, adjectives are describing words. They tell more information about about nouns or pronouns. They are also called adding words. Here you mark the examples. This is a tall tree. Tall tree. Tall is adjective and it has been used before the noun tree. Tall tree, short tree, huge tree. This type of words we can use before tree. In the second sentence, you see, I have a new car. I have a new car. Here new is an adjective word and it has been used before a noun. New, this word modifies the noun car. Okay, so the word new is here adjective. To have a clear concept, here is some examples of adjectives. You see, tall boy, fat man, long rope, rainy day, clever girl, soft bed, honest man, sweet sound. Here tall is adjective, boy is noun, fat is adjective, man is noun, long is adjective, rope is noun, rainy is adjective, day is noun, clever adjective, similarly soft adjective, honest, sweet, they are adjectives. And these adjectives are used before nouns. Okay, I think you have cleared your concept about adjectives. Now we would know the types of adjectives. There are various types of adjectives and they are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives and interrogative adjectives. We will discuss about these adjectives one by one. Okay. First, adjective of quality. The words that describe the quality of a noun or pronoun, they are called adjectives of quality. That means the quality adjective describes quality of a noun or pronoun. To have the clear idea about it, we will take an example. John has an old car. John has an old car. We can ask the question, what kind of car John has? The answer will be old car. Here, the word old is adjective of quality. It refers to the quality of the car. That is why it is a quality adjective. Okay. Next, we will discuss another type of adjective, that is adjective of quantity. The word that describes quantity of a noun or pronoun, it is called adjective of quantity. Actually, adjective of quantity does not describe the exact number. It only describes the quantity, not the number. Here is an example. There is a little water in the jug. There is a little water in the jug. A little has been used before the noun water and it describes the quantity of the water. That is why it is called quantity adjective, adjective of quantity. Similarly, some boys, a few students, many trees, a lot of knowledge, less work. Some, a few, many, a lot of, less. They are adjective of quantity. Some boys. Here, it has not been mentioned how many boys are there. The exact number is not mentioned here. So, we find only the quantity of the boys, some boys, not the exact number. That is why it is called adjective of quantity. A lot of knowledge, less work, few students, many trees. Where many trees does not refer the exact number of trees. Okay. Here is another type of adjective, that is adjective of number, which describes the exact number of a noun or pronoun. Here is an example for you. He wrote 4 books. He wrote 4 books. If we ask the question, then we can ask how many books did he write? How many? Then the answer will be 4 books. 4 is a number and it has been used before books. So it is the adjective of number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are the numbers. Similarly, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, they are the numbers. Here, number is of two types. One is cardinal number and the other is ordinal number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cardinal number. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, they are ordinal numbers. Okay. Here you mark the examples. Rome was not built on 7 hills. Here 7 hills. 7 is cardinal number and it is used before hills. 7 hills. 7 is a number and it is called adjective of number. Okay. In the next example, the second man will now go. The second man. Second here is an ordinal number. It is adjective of number. Okay. I think you have understood it well. Then another type of adjective, that is demonstrative adjectives. This, that, these, those. They are demonstrative adjectives. Actually, this, that, these, those, they are used in a noun phrase and they are called determiners. Here we mark the examples. This car is mine. That house is yours. This car. This here has been used before car. It is working as an adjective. So it is called demonstrative adjective and it is also called determiner. That house is yours. Here that is demonstrative adjective. Okay. 4 items are here. They are demonstrative adjectives. They are these, that, these and those. We should keep in our mind that these, that, those, they are demonstrative adjectives, but always they are not used as demonstrative adjectives. Here it is very important to know the use of this, that, these, those. We should keep in our mind that we should not use these words as only demonstrative adjectives, rather they can be used as demonstrative pronouns. Here is the difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Okay, this pencil is mine. This pencil. Here, this pencil. This has been used before pencil. So it works like an adjective. So it is a demonstrative adjective. In number 2, these pencils. Here the word these has been used before pencils. So these is demonstrative adjective. But in the next 2 sentences we can see the difference use of this and these. This is my pencil. This is my pencil. Here the word this has been used before a verb. This is. And in the second sentence, these are our pencils. These are. These has been used before a verb, that is are. So it is not an adjective. Okay. So it is a pronoun. Next we will discuss about possessive adjective. We use possessive adjectives with a noun to show that something belongs to somebody. When somebody or someone possesses something, that is called possessive. So mark the example. This is my car. My car. Here adjective word is my and it has been used before car. So it is a possessive word and it is possessive adjective. My, your, his, her, their, our, they are possessive adjectives. Okay. Sarita was writing a letter to dash father. Sarita was writing a letter to her father. Sarita is a female being and the pronoun will be she and the possessive adjective related to she is her. So the right answer will be her. Sarita was writing a letter to her father. Here are some possessive adjectives. They are my, your, her, his, its, our, their. Here you can mark possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Here you mark the examples. This is my car. Here my car. In this noun phrase, my is possessive adjective and it has been used before car, my car. But in the second sentence, this car is mine. Here mine, the word mine is possessive pronoun, not possessive adjective, because it does not qualify any noun. It works like a pronoun. When subject form is I, its possessive pronoun will be mine. When subject form is we, possessive pronoun will be ours. You, yours. His, his. Her, hers. We, ours. Okay. Next, we will go through another type of adjective, that is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives are WH words which is used with nouns to ask questions. To ask questions. What, which and whose. They are interrogative adjectives. Here you mark the examples. Whose book is this? Whose book? Here the word whose has been used before book. Book is noun and whose is adjective. Which pen? Which pen? Which is used before pen. Pen is noun and which is adjective. So in the last line you see which is your pen. The word which is not an interrogative adjective, rather it is an interrogative pronoun, because after which we find a verb word, not noun. So here the word which is interrogative pronoun, not interrogative adjective. So you have understand it well, the difference between interrogative adjective and interrogative pronoun. Okay, dear students, I think you must have got some new idea about adjectives. Okay, you have all watched this video, that's why I thank you all. Thanks.